How to cross out text in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, if I want to cross out text, all I need to do is to highlight the text that I want to cross out. After that, tap on this format option and then tap on text. After that, we'll have to select this strike-through option. And as you can see here, it automatically cross out the text that I have just highlighted. So as an example, I'm gonna do it again. Highlight the text, tap on the format option, select the text option, and then after that, tap on the strike-through option. And as you can see here, it automatically crossed out the text that I have just highlighted. So that's how easy we can cross out text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!